Good morning. Okay, I think we're good. Good morning. We are in a different location this morning. So, if you guys don't know, I'm Sam. Usually I say I'm Sam at Lit HQ, but I'm not at the HQ right now. I'm actually at our Hanover Street store. We actually have a photo shoot today with Vanessa, so stay tuned for that. But good morning, hello. But I wanted to tell you guys what was dropping today in the stores. You guys know how it goes. Usually unboxings are like I have a whole rack behind me with a bunch of items that are coming. But today, a little change up, and I wanted to show you one of the tops that you guys have been absolutely loving, and we finally got the final color. So, hi, good morning. Hello. I love seeing everybody's name. Okay, cool. All right, so this is the top that I'm talking about. You guys know this came in like last week. I'm wearing it the normal way. And then we actually had it in another color. But then last Tuesday, I was like, guys, I think I see the gold coming. So step on in, here we are. It's my intern, Cassie, and she's wearing the gold one. So super cute. I'm like obsessed with this color on you. It looks so nice. So she's wearing it like the regular way you would wear it as well. And this bandana top is the one that has like the smocking like bandeau built into it, which I absolutely love because I have like a little bit of a bigger chest, and I feel like the women here who do have a larger chest, the other bandeau tops that we've had before, which you can totally wear, but the ones that have the straps that are just like the bandeau, or excuse me, just the like the handkerchief in front, sometimes like the wind blows and you don't feel as secure. So these ones I'm obsessed with. I think these are awesome. I'm loving all the hearts going. Thank you guys. So we are wearing it the classic way, and then Cassie, if you want to step out for one sec, I'm going to introduce Emily, my other intern here. She's wearing the red one, and you can see that we actually tied it a different way with her too. So this is super cool. So she's wearing the red. You want to kind of walk up a tiny bit and show them. So she's actually wearing it backwards, and so the tie, she actually tied in the front. So she kind of did like a little crisscross, put one through, tied it, and this is super cute on you. And then on the back, you're welcome. If you want to turn to the back for a sec. So this would be, here, I'm gonna untuck it for a sec. So this is what it looks like in the back. Obviously, you can wear it like that if you want to, but we just folded it really nicely. You just do like a half fold, and then another half fold, and you tuck it in. Nice, clean bandeau back. And of course too, you can even turn that around and do like how I'm wearing it and tuck it in to be a bandeau this way. So overall, I'm obsessed with this top. I feel like you can wear it so many different ways. Come on back in, let's show all three colors. Guys, comment below what color you like, because we have them all now. The gang's all here. So hope you guys love. Vanessa is arriving shortly to do a shoot with us. If you see us on the street, say hello. But we will see you guys soon on the story. So thank you guys so much, and have a great rest of your Thursday.